Yo, 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 what's going on? What's poppin'? What's crack-a-lackin'? How y'all doing? Welcome back to Josh Kickin. Because that's all we doing is kicking it. Welcome back, yo. Glad to see y'all back. Glad to see y'all made it back. Thank y'all for those who are engaging on the videos, hitting that like, commenting, and subscribing. If you hear from TikTok, what's going on? Y'all know who it is. If you just hear from YouTube, go visit my TikTok. But anyways, yo. We here. Another pickup. And I don't think y'all ready for this one. Look, I've been eyeballing these. I ain't gonna even say that. I've been looking at these. This is new to the New Balance line, if I'm not mistaken. They might have been out already, but I honestly 100%, 90% sure. 80. This is a new line for New Balance. Thank you for y'all blowing New Balance up. I've always been a New Balance fan from the 570s. I've just had 570s my whole life. I've had a wider foot, so back in the day, I thought them was the only shoes that would fit. But as I got older, a little smarter, just went a size up and half size up, and they work it out right. Other than that, yo, let's get into this bag. Stop by Foot Locker. This is a today pickup. I picked these up today. I stopped by there today. Grab these and let's get into them. Enough talking. These are 11.5 because I've come to find out that most New Balances I get are running true to size. So there's no reason for me to get a 12. There's no reason for me to get a 12. So these is the 19. Hold on. The glare. Hold on. No, I'm just joking. These the 1906 R's. 1906 R's. Price point on these here lovely shoes are it's $155 plus tax $165. So $10 tax. Once again, I keep telling y'all, $100 Dunk versus $100 New Balance. Now, mind you, Dunks might have some colors, but your New Balances, it's going to have quality. And you're going to be able to wear them more than 5 times without the toe creasing up. They looking like crack. You know what I'm saying? Like, then, or you could take the 550, the New Balance 550, put it towards the Air Force One or we can go Dunk again. We can just put it up against that. You're going to get a better quality with New Balance. So for those of you who not like a New Balance or don't want to hop on a trend or whatever it may be, look, my goal is always to present to y'all quality, not quantity. So with that being said, this is quality. Running shoes, I think it's an R because it's a runner. And running shoes are taking over right now. Jordans, yeah, they're great. They're just not coming out with anything that's going to catch your eye or want you to be like, oh, I got to get those. They just really not dropping anything. And if you're looking for shoes, everybody's coming up with different ways to make shoe content. And I'm just saying, New Balances is still in the show. I finally got a New Balance box that isn't look like it's about to fall apart. Most of my New Balances box look like they're about to just disintegrate as soon as you get them. I don't know if it's because it's a 12 or whatever it may be. But let's get into these. These are a green. I don't have the exact colorway for these, but these are green and silver and white. Green, silver, and white. So let's get into them. Let's get into them. Once again, the price point on these is $155. Give y'all a short, quick review, precise review on these right here. And my nephew gonna be mad at me because he wanted these. Well, he got the silver one, so he got the silver and white ones. But bam, bam, bam. Here we go. Bam. Bam. Y'all know what we do with these boxes. They go on the ground. Bam. Oh, I stand corrected there. White, silver, green, and black. It's black from y'all. But yeah. Bam. Here y'all go. Y'all tell me how y'all like them. Sitting on the shelf. Like I said, these are runner. and runners are taking over, this is a great summer shoe. You throw some low socks on, some no-shows, throw you a nice little cream and green shirt with a nice little dope hat, and you got to fit. You got to fit, you got to fit, you got to fit. Right now, oversized shirts is taking over, so these will go fit with whatever you wearing now. I feel like I'm back in the old days where everything is huge. Just what it is now. But yeah, so you got the New Balance sign here and the green with the silver. You have the 2002R bottom on these. Don't get fooled. It's the 2002R bottom on these. And you're seeing this a lot on shoes. They reusing the same bottom and changing the uppers. Thank you, Nike, because I feel like Nike was the first time we actually noticed that they was using the same bottom and just putting a different silhouette on top of the shoe. Same thing here. Great silhouette, just great silhouette. You got the cage on the back. This is a great flexible shoe, and one of those shoes you could probably walk around all day in or run all day in. The netting on top, just all the way through. And like I said before, it's just a great shoe to have in your collection. If you're looking for runners, if you're looking for something to just throw on and go, that's what these shoes are. And if you look at the style of the kids nowadays, it's throw on and go. There's no real style to anything. There's no real matchy to anything. It's not what we would have in the early 2000s or the late 90s where everything had to be matched from head to toe and the colors just had to be right. You're not getting that nowadays. You're getting these from runners with some baggy pants and a baggy shirt and a dope hat and a bag. That's what you're getting. That's what you're getting nowadays, and I'm here for it. That's your style. That's your style. You're getting hoodies, and that's what you're getting. These go well with these. Throw on something and go. And like I said before, I'm not chasing the trend. I like what I like, and I like quality. This right here is what you call quality. Once again, these are 11 and a half, my size. And from what I've been seeing with New Balances, they run it true to size, unless your foot is overly wide. So if y'all get an opportunity, please, Foot Locker, Champs, they all have them. I thought these was a great shoe to pick up. They have them in a bunch of different colors. Right now I'm seeing they got them in army, what's that, like a army green-ish, all army greenish with some suede on it. Cold shoe, just not my style. Not something I want. I got way too many green shoes and I'm adding another one, so I don't want to hear it. But they have a plethora of colors. So if y'all are those who want to get a whole collection of the shoe, it definitely has that style to have a whole collection of the shoe. But needless to say, this is your boy, Josh, kicking it, and we out. Do me a favor, stay blessed, and always find a way to get your blessings. Do me a favor, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment.
See, first of all,
And we out.
no, these so-called players wouldn't take this. I'ma be real and say what's on my heart. Let's take this chance and make this life irrelevant. Didn't you know I loved you from the start, yeah? But I think about all the years we put in this relationship.